Jamaica, watch this.
Can't stand a foreign. One, the one them will left Jamaica and behave like say them never drink out a foreign. A Jamaica you're born. We have your file. We know say you're a thief. We know you're there take the girl them man. And 2 girl beat you on a road, that's why you run come a foreign. You think we don't know? We know. So nobody behave like say you never live at Jamaica, you never experience hard life and one little slippers never pop off of your foot. Next thing now, the man them now. But me ask you a question. If you have a preference, stick with the preference now. But stop come a foreign, come make everybody know say you're not for Jamaican woman them because X, Y, and Z and them wicked and them girl love money and So what the Yankee them do? They don't love that. So if your preference is the Yankee woman, them stay with them. But they have this thing, when they're not done with the Yankee girl, them after they don't trap, terrorize and criticize, when they want to come back to we, if we come soothe, No, baby, stay over there, so now. Stay over there. Next thing now, the Jamaicans them will behave like say Jamaica was the worst thing that ever happened to them and then can't go back home. Just because you can't go back to Jamaica, that don't mean you must put your projection on us. We are going to Jamaica. We are enjoy ourselves. We are going to river. We are going to roast them and saltfish by roadside and turn up and chat. So don't make it look like say the whole way in your situation. No, baby. You want over there, so. Stay over there, so.